Start. One of the unique features of the Indian Constitution is that, notwithstanding the adoption of a federal system and existence of central acts and state acts in their respective spheres, it has generally provided for a single integrated system of courts to administer both union and state laws. Stop. At the apex of the entire judicial system, exists the Supreme Court of India, below which are the high courts in each state or group of states. Stop. Below the high courts lies a hierarchy of subordinate courts. Stop. Panchayat courts are also function in some states under various names like Nyay Panchayat, Panchayat Adalat, Gram Kachehari, etc. to decide civil and criminal disputes of petty and local nature. Stop. Different state laws provide for different kinds of jurisdiction of courts. Stop. Each state is divided into judicial districts presided over by a district and sessions judge, which is the principal civil court of original jurisdiction and can try all offences including those punishable with death. Stop. The sessions judge is the highest judicial authority in a district. Stop. Below him, there are courts of civil jurisdiction, known in different states as munsifs, sub-judges, civil judges, and the like. Stop. Similarly, the criminal judiciary comprises the chief judicial magistrates and judicial magistrates of first and second class. Stop. Para. The Supreme Court of India comprises the Chief Justice and not more than 30 other judges appointed by the President of India. Stop. Supreme Court judges retire upon attaining the age of 65 years. Stop. In order to be appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court, a person must be a citizen of India and must have been, for at least 5 years, a judge of a high court or of two or more such courts in succession, or an advocate of a high court or of two or more such courts in succession for at least 10 years, or he must be, in the opinion of the President, a distinguished jurist. Stop. Provisions exist for the appointment of a judge of a high court as an ad hoc judge of the Supreme Court and for retired judges of the Supreme Court or high courts to sit and act as judges of that court. Para. The Constitution seeks to ensure the independence of Supreme Court judges in various ways. Stop. A judge of the Supreme Court cannot be removed from office except by an order of the President passed after an address in each House of Parliament supported by a majority of the total membership of that House and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of members present and voting, and presented to the President in the same session for such removal on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. Stop. A person who has been a judge of the Supreme Court is debarred from practicing in any court of law or before any other authority in India. Stop. Para. The proceedings of the Supreme Court are conducted in English only. Stop. Supreme Court rules, 1966 are framed under Article 145 of the Constitution to regulate the practice and procedure of the Supreme Court. Stop.